Hey, what's going on? All my homies, homettes, dudes, and dudettes. It's your boy Will, back again, and you can tell I'm getting ready to do a ride along, and I'm doing it with this one here. This bottle is so kind of cool with the tassel. This is Your Drugged, and man, it's a nice creamy throwback kind of fragrance, but I'll get into what is kind of cloning a little bit later on. So, starting right on out, let's go with couple of sprays behind the neck. I catch one on my shoulders. I like to put a little bit on my clothes so it lasts a little bit longer. And in addition to putting them on my skin. And this is a dense kind of fragrance, so I probably don't need all these sprays, but I just want to make sure I smell it all day. You know what I mean? All right, so here it is. Here's the bottle. Cool little tassel. Oh, and right now it is 6:27 a.m. and let's see what the weather is. It's supposed to be kind of cool today. Not as cold as normal. It is 25 degrees right now. So I think it's supposed to get up to like 30 degrees or somewhere in there. So it should warm up a little bit more. So let's check it out and see how it does. Roll with me.
Find the buried treasure. So grams ahead.
All right, so I'm doing a update on the fragrance. It's doing pretty good. It's gotten a little bit closer to my skin. It's like a smaller scent bubble, and right now it is 10:24. Not sure if that's coming in. 10:24, and so it's still doing well, but it's like I said, it's a smaller scent bubble instead of a huge, dense scent bubble. Like a couple of hours ago, maybe an hour and a half, it was projecting really strong. So, and I'm in the office, so I was hoping it wasn't, bothering anybody, but it's been doing good so far. So, all right, I will give another update in a little bit. Keep rolling with me. Hey, what's going on, folks? I am doing another check-in. It's been all day. This fragrance has lasted all day. It is now 4:08. Let me see. I don't know if that time's going to come in for you guys, but it is 4:08, and the temperature is gotten a little bit warmer. It's 38 degrees. So, it's gotten muted. Like it's closer to the skin. It's not projecting as much as it was early in the day. But man, in the morning, I was kind of worried because I was like, oh boy, I thought I may have put too many sprays on and it was going to be, too overwhelming to be in the office. But it actually wasn't too bad. It was, I think it was projecting less than I thought it was. I thought it was projecting more than it was, or going out further than I thought it was, but it actually was closer in. But as the day went on, it actually got even closer in. And then I even had a break. I left the office and got me a quick little workout in, came back, and the fragrance was still on my skin slightly. It was kind of muted, but on my clothes, it was still pushing really good. It was almost like I just had the cologne on, like I hadn't went to the gym and worked out. So yeah, it's doing good. I'm not sure if this would be necessarily office safe, but because of the type of office I'm in, it was, it's okay. It's probably geared more for like a date kind of vibe instead of just going into the office and working and stuff. I can think of a whole bunch of other fragrances that will work better for if you're going in the office. But because it was so cold today, I was thinking, okay, it's not going to be a whole lot of days that I'm going to be able to use this fragrance, so let me go ahead and wear it now. So, all right, I will keep you guys posted. I'll do another check-in and wrap up in a little while. Keep rolling with me. What's going on, folks? I am back. Let's wrap this up now. Man, this fragrance has done an amazing job. I don't remember it lasting this long, but it's still going, and now it is 7:10, and I'm inside, but I'll still tell you what the weather is. The weather right now is it ended up getting a little bit warmer. Earlier we got up to like 37, 38 degrees. Right now, it's dropped back down. It's back down to 30 degrees. But, for the past couple of hours, I've been inside, so it doesn't matter. Man, so, Amir, you're drugged. Let's see if that name can come in. Amir, you're drugged. Man, this is a good fragrance. It starts off kind of boozy, really, when you first spray it. That's why I was kind of nervous about it projecting too much when I was at work, because it comes off a little boozy. I ain't want people to think, okay, he was drinking before he came to work. But it has like a whiskey accord, but it's not a heavy whiskey accord. It's kind of mixed with some other things. I think it's has some cardamom or something like that in it. But it worked out really good. I'm digging it. It was a beast. So, and like I said, right now it is 7:11, well 7:12 now, and I put it on, I think I put it on like around 6:30, so that's over 12 hours. And on my skin I faintly smell it, like it's really faint, but on my clothes it's still there. It's sticking to my clothes really good. So It's a great fragrance. I got the notes here. I'm gonna run through the notes with you. And like I said earlier, it is a clone. It's a clone of Amen by Terry Mugler, or it also smells similar to Intoxicated by Killian, but those two kind of smell alike too. So it smells similar to the two of those. More so like the Amen by Terry Mugler. Man, so let's run through the notes real quick. Like I said, it starts off with a kind of a boozy accord, but kind of a nutty boozy accord. Let me see if I can find these notes. Oh, here we are. So the top notes are cinnamon and whiskey, and then the middle notes are cardamom and nutmeg. And then the base notes is coffee and vanilla. And that vanilla, when it dries all the way down, the vanilla and coffee kind of comes off like almost like a espresso type of vibe to it, because it's the coffee is there and the whiskey is gone pretty much. You can smell it in the background a little bit, but it's really the coffee and the vanilla that's in the base. But since I sprayed it on my shirt, it really didn't go through all those changes. It still smells like a light version of the whiskey, with the almost like a whiskey and honey. It's not honey in this, in it. No, it almost smells like a whiskey and honey, and maybe some like a creaminess, like a nuttiness to it. So, but it's a really dialed down version of it. It's not super strong or anything like that. So, yeah, actually is a lot stronger than I remember the last time I wore it. And now I looked at it again. The color of the juice actually looks like it got darker. It was dark before. It was like a brown. Now it's kind of looking like almost like a purplish color, like a purplish brown. So yeah, it works good. I wouldn't advise you. Yeah, I wouldn't advise you to spray this on to like white clothes or anything like that because it could stain it. But like I have on dark colors today, so it didn't really make a difference. All right. Thanks for hanging out with me, riding along with this ride along, and with this You're Drugged. Oh my goodness. It's a cheap fragrance too, so you can pick it up if you like. I know you could be anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me talking about that. Ride along. Whew, man, I'm still kind of shocked, as you can see. Anyway, until next time, it's your boy Will with the Will Report. Deuces.